The stock of Dojland Mars has been unsteady in recent days, making many investors scared of their Dojland Mars investment and asking more questions. Is it still possible for Dojland Mars to cancel 2 zeros before the year 2022 ends? Will Dojland Mars still be the Shiba Inu successor? What do you think the reason for the Dojland Mars coin's decline is? If investors continue to inquire about my Dojland Mars coin price prediction and the reasons behind it, they need not inquire anymore because I will be addressing Dojland Mars pricing in this video. But, before we get started, please support me by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Let's jump right into the debate for investors who want to know if Dojland Mars can cancel 2 zeros. Yes, it is very much conceivable, in my opinion. After we have a look at the current price details on CoinMarketCap, I'll explain why. Dojland Mars is currently selling for 0.608412, and its rank has risen to 125. I believe the rating was 140 last week, but this coin has improved since then. As we can see, the price and market capitalization are both down to $6, yet the trading volume is up to $11, which is wonderful since it demonstrates that Dojland Mars is still thriving in the cryptocurrency market. Dojland Mars coin has a market capitalization of $466 million, with a trading volume of $17 million. I believe that Dojland Mars will make a lot of people wealthy because, according to CoinMarketCap, a lot of investors haven't been paying close attention to Dojland Mars coin recently, and I don't blame them because the market is bleeding and their new meme coins are booming in the cryptocurrency space with huge gains at the moment. This, I believe, is why Dojland Mars is down. However, don't panic. The market will soon recover, bringing a slew of new investors to acquire Dojland Mars coin and driving up the price. 2. Dojland Mars is the most popular cryptocurrency in North America, according to latest reports. This isn't wonderful news for many investors, but it's fantastic news for Patriot Bulls. I'd want to see Dojland Mars break more barriers, and I'm confident that a lot more of this is on the way. More momentum is rolling in, which implies that when the market rebounds, price will spike. Dojland is slowly but steadily gaining traction. If it hadn't been for the worldwide market cap, Dojland Mars would have gone at least 2 times higher. The number of Twitter followers is rapidly increasing, and someday these followers will become holders. Holder rates are also on the rise. Every day, we believe at least 200 to 500 investors are receiving and holding Dojland Mars coin. From what I've seen on Dojland Mars, everything appears to be in good working order, with the exception that the world market has had an impact. My recommendation to Dojland Mars shareholders is to be calm. Dojland will undoubtedly rise to the top of the heap. Have faith in me. You just need to look at the long-term profit, not the short-term profit. This will be the end of this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe and don't forget to invest wisely.